Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. Hey, it's your girl Kayla B. Yeah, you know me. Yeah, and if you don't know me, yeah, then please subscribe, please. Yeah, get to know me, yeah. Get to know me, yeah. Woo! Now that we sing our little song, let's get into Boxycharm. Boxycharm is $27.99 a month plus tax. That tax be hefty. Be like 30 something and some change. But anyways, that's what that is, and it's supposed to be over $125 worth of product. Yep, $125 worth of product. And you're supposed to get a deal, but it's getting more and more expensive, and I'm like, whoo, deal is maybe not good. I don't know about next month choices. It was like either skincare or makeup, and the skincare was like something that I knew was going to irritate my eyes. Red all around my eyes is no bueno. I got bumps around my eyes, everything. I was like, it's no. So even though it's a good brand, still no. And the deepest one had the worst blush and highlight that I do not like. I hate bright pink. So I did the less deep. The second deepest, no. It was the one before. And I did that one for the bronzer. It was shade 1, which I don't understand why shade 1 is the same, is like deeper than all the other shades besides shade 5. Don't understand that, but okay. But it had like some type of blush that I would like, and a highlight that I would like. So I chose that. Hopefully it works all three go around. But yeah, I'm just not interested into the choices lately. Like, it's been really whack. Anyways, let's get into July 2022 unboxing of Boxycharm. You get 5 full-size items, and yeah, let's just get into it. This is the card. It says status 000. It has nice pink and blue moment with palm trees, and I have C22, that's 2022, 07, that's July. I had 011. That means I got variation 11. Cool. I already see something that I do not like. This is the Beauty Crop. This is in the shade Cinnamon and Fudge. And I just don't like liquid eyeshadows, even though I have liquid eyeshadow on my eyes today. That's the only liquid eyeshadow that I use and I have in my collection, because I barely use that. I got it a couple months ago and I only used it 3 times. And that's just, both of them was good. I just put on lashes, and one was just a quick makeup look so I could do this video. Literally, I don't use these. So this will be on my Macari, which will be linked down below. Go check that out. Literally. The next thing is something that they had in this box. Wait, first of all, let me tell you how much that is. The Beauty Crop liquid eyeshadow dual ended long wearing liquid eyeshadow is $18. And this was supposed to be only in Valentine's Day. Only on Valentine's, that's February. We're in July, and this was introduced to Boxycharm in February. This is Natasha Cupid 5 eyeshadow palette. This is a mix between the different palettes, like the other ones. This is specifically made for Boxycharm. I mean, it's pretty. I can't fault it on that, but it's not like I could buy this in stores. I mean, yeah, it's Natasha quality, but still, $48 with 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics. The versatile 5-pan cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic, flirty looks. Featuring rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and burgundy corals, all 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortless to layer. Okay, it doesn't tell me which palettes these come from, but I think it comes from like the Love palette or some other type of palette. It comes from some palette. I don't know. I just know that it's always mixed with different palettes. It's different ingredients for different ones. So yeah, they're from different palettes. It's made in Italy. This is good for 24 months after opening. Oh, did you know that Natasha Makeup LLC is in New York City? It's in 30th Street, New York, New York. Wow, I did not know that. I did not know that. But yeah, if you want to see me try this out, let me know in the comments down below. The next thing is, this is like a really dull moment. Something that I will not be using. This is Jecca Black. I don't even use her primer anymore. Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face Primer. Vegan friendly, cruelty free. This is in Rose Pearl. Glow Drops prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural glow all over face using your fingertips before makeup. It looks just like the box. No. As soon as anything says rose in it, Rose Pearl, giving me ashy vibes in my head or my complexion. So this will be Emma Macari too. So 2 products that I will not be using out of the 5, and one that I don't really consider a product because I cannot buy it in stores, but I'm glad to have some Natasha Denona in my life because I love Natasha Denona formula, but it's like this is a half a point. And that Jecca Black retails for $20. My choice item, the deepest shade. This is Cocktail Hour. Is vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free, yada 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 free. I just don't know. I don't know about this. I don't know if it's my shade or not. This is multi-use face stacker, 3 cream shades to play, highlight, blush, and contour. Alleyoop. $10 on us. Gift. It says Alleyoop in the bottle. In the box and on here, and it says Cocktail Hour right there. And oh, it has like a little mirror. That's a nice, pretty. Oh, and then there's the blush. And here's the contour shade, which looks more like a concealer shade for me. See, that's what I meant. Like, this looks like concealer shade for me. So I don't know if I'm gonna use it as a contour. I mean, it is deeper than expected. I'm actually probably gonna use it as a light foundation. Yeah, because look at, you can see that that swatch is deeper than that, but that's cool. But it kind of blends into nothing. mean, that gives like a little tint, that blush, not that much. I can't wait to try that out, but it's not something that I would like pick from store. So again, half a point, so that's 1 point out of 5. Next thing equals a 2 points out of 5. This is the last product, and this is the Somerville Somerville Goat Milk Moisture Cream Condition Restore. And oh, by the way, the Alleyoop retails for $38 and this retails for $76. Kate Somerville is very, very expensive, okay? Kate Somerville is very, very expensive, and I never want to buy anything from Kate Somerville besides their cleanser and their mask. But it's like I always have to wait for this for a VIP sale or some type of sale. So I'm so excited that I got this. This is like the only thing I'm like really happy about. There were other things that I wanted, like eyeliner. It was another primer. Sorry, it's late right now. It was another primer. It was sheet mask. It was so many other variations that I wanted, but I got this. It's worse than last month. That's all I could say. It's worse than last month. But to be honest, the deal is banging. $76 for this, and then this is like a point together, and that cost some change. You got $38 for the stacks, and you got $48 for the eyeshadow palette. So that's a lot of money. The 3 products that I like out of the 5 is a lot of money. It's like this is not fully used for what it can be used, but I can use it, so that's the reason why it's half a point. And this I don't consider a palette because I can't buy it in stores, so that's half a point. So it's like 2 out of 5. This is the worst rating that I have in a long time, but it's okay. If you want these 2 products, they will be on Mercari plus other things. Go check out my Mercari, and I will come back with you with the total. The final total is $200, but minus these 2 products, it's $162. So it's still over the price that they said it was going to be over, $125. So I'm not mad at this box. It's like it's the worst box I had in a very long time, but I'm not mad at this box with the price range. Would I go outside and go to Sephora and buy this on sale for $37? Yes. More than $78? Yes. That's like me buying Tatcha for cheaper. Yes. And then these are the products, birthday products, that I just get in the bag. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. That's how I have to see it. That's how I see boxes, is if I would go and I would get that, and I would go have it for a sale. Like I would go for a sale to get that. And yeah, I would. So this box is not that bad. It's the worst I've got in a while because my profile does not say liquid eyeshadow, does not say 2 eyeshadows. Why would it say 2 eyeshadows? Also, my thing says no primers. So yeah, that's it for this video. What do you guys think about Boxycharm? Are they going bad? Are they going up? I just think that it's really getting expensive, and when it's getting expensive, it needs to not be like Ipsy and be more like Boxycharm. I get more brands that are big, high-end, not just like Jecca Blac. Really? Beauty Corp? I mean, even though they had some nice stuff and they were in Riley Rose, I was in there later on today. I went to Raleigh Rose and I saw Beauty Corp, and you know, I got some sheet masks, but that's all they're good for me, I think. I mean, they got some nice deep contour shades, but just liquid eyeshadow, really? That's just what throws me off, is liquid eyeshadow. But the funny thing is that the two products that I do not like are the cheapest products. I don't know what's going on with Boxy, if they like playing with people's minds, but I just wish that we could choose like 3 out of the 5 products. Like in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get to pick out 3 and they pick out 2. Why can't we do that with just a regular base box? I mean, yeah, you get to pick out 2 with premium, but that's bigger than Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If Ipsy is controlling both of them, then they need to be the same thing. And also, where's the skip button at? Because sometimes I just want to skip. Like this month I wanted to skip, but I couldn't skip because there's no skip button. Anyways, if you think that Boxycharm should have a skip button, put a thumbs up emoji. If you don't, then put a thumbs down emoji. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. And always don't forget to stay safe and be happy and stay safe, because you know, I had to say it twice because this world is crazy. Anyways, deuces. Wow, I'm so tired. It's like in the middle of the night. Hope this video turns out okay.